Hello students, in today's mathematics class we will understand how to solve a linear equation by transposition method. Transposition method means changing the side of the number. On transposing, plus sign changes to minus and minus sign changes to plus. So, in this method, we will shift the number from left hand side to right hand side and from right hand side to left hand side. And while changing this, we will change the sign of the number also. Alright, let us understand it with the help of examples. First example is 3x minus 16 is equal to 8. Now, we all know when we solve any equation, we find the value of the variable. Here variable is x. With this term of variable, whatever we have, we will shift that to other side. Here we have minus 16. It means when I shift minus 16 to other side, it will become plus 16 over there. So we will write here implies 3x is equal to, already 8 is here in this side and this 16 will shift here as plus 16. We shifted the number towards right hand side and minus sign changed to plus. Alright, now we will solve this. 3x is equal to 8 plus 16 is 24. Alright, now with variable 3 is multiplied, so it means we need to shift this 3 to other side. Here 3 is multiplied, it means multiplication will change to division here. So x is equal to 24 upon 3. Alright, multiply 3 has changed to division here. So now we can divide them. So x is equal to 8 is the answer. I hope you have understood here. Here minus sign has changed to plus sign. Multiplication has changed to division. Alright. Now let us take one more example. Now let us take example with variable on both sides. Solve y plus 4 is equal to 3 into y minus 2. Here you can see variable y is present in both sides. Alright. Now here we will collect like terms in one side. Like terms means terms with variable will be collected in one side and numbers on the other side. Here y plus 4, 3 into y minus 2. So let us open the bracket first. Here y plus 4 will be written as it is. Here when we open the bracket, 3 into y is 3y minus 3 into 2 is 6. We know whenever anything is there outside the bracket, it will multiply with all the terms in the bracket. Alright, so that is why 3 is multiplied with y as well as with minus 2. Now we will collect like terms in one side. Alright, here y and here 3y. So let us bring y in this side. So when I will bring 3y here, it will be minus 3y because there was no sign with 3y. It means it is positive and positive changes to negative here. And here minus 6 is already there, and when we bring this number 4 to this side, it will be minus 4. So what we did here, we collected like terms in one side and numbers on the other side. Now we know y minus 3y is minus 2y and minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So we want to find the value of y only. So y is equal to minus 10. This minus 2 was multiplied with my y. So when we shift it to other side, it will divide the other side. Alright, now minus sign cancels with minus sign, and here we get y is equal to 5 is the answer. Now let us start with exercise 10.2. Second question is 2 upon 3x is equal to 8 upon 9. Whenever something is there in fraction with the variable, we take this number to other side, but we will reciprocate it. Alright, so x is equal to 8 upon 9. Now x is multiplied with 2 upon 3. When I will take this fraction to other side, it will reciprocate. Reciprocate means it will become 3 upon 2. Alright, 2 upon 3 has changed to 3 upon 2 to the other side. Why we have done like that? Because it was multiplied with x, and when we shift it to other side, it is dividing the other side, and we all know in division fraction changes to its reciprocate. Alright, now x is equal to, we will here reduce them to lowest, so we are left with here 4 upon 3. So x is equal to 4 upon 3 is the answer. Alright. Question number 5 is 3 upon 4 into x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. First step will be, we have to open the bracket. Alright. So let us multiply 3 upon 4 with the bracket here. 3 upon 4 into x is 3 upon 4x minus 3 upon 4 into 2 is equal to x minus 1. Now here we can reduce it, so it will become 3 upon 4x minus 3 upon 2 is equal to x minus 1. Now next step, we have to collect like terms to one side. So xx will be written in one side and numbers on the other side. 3 upon 4x, this x will come to this side as minus x is equal to minus 1, and this minus 3 upon 2 will become plus 3 upon 2 to this side. Now in fraction, we know we have to take LCM to solve it. 4 is the LCM in this side, so we get here 3x minus 4x, it is equal to, here 2 is the LCM in this side, so when we multiply it, it is minus 2 plus 3. Alright, 3x minus 4x is minus 1x, so it will be written as minus x on 4. It is equal to, here minus 2 plus 3 is 1, so 1 on 2. Alright, so now x is divided by 4. When we shift it to other side, it will multiply with other side. So here we can write it as x is equal to 1 upon 2, and this 4 we will shift to other side as into 4. Alright, because it was x upon 4 here. Upon 4 means divided by 4, and we are changing this division to multiply 4 here. And here we got minus x is equal to 2, and x is negative here. We want the positive x here, so it means we can multiply both sides by minus sign. So we will get here x is equal to minus 2 as answer. Alright. Question number 7. 2x minus 1 upon 3 is minus 1 is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. Here you can see we are having terms of x on both sides. So let us first collect them in one side. So it implies 2x minus 1 upon 3, and this term will come here and with negative sign. X minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, this minus 1 we will shift to other side as plus 1. Alright, now two terms in fraction. So let us take LCM. 3 is common here, so 3 is the LCM. So when we have the common number in the denominator, numerators we write as it is. So 2x minus 1, this negative sign is for both the terms x minus 2. It is equal to 1. Alright. Now 2x minus 1, when we open the bracket, minus into x is minus x, minus into minus will become plus 2 here. Be very careful here for negative sign. Upon 3 will write as it is. Now like terms will be added. 2x minus x is 1x, so it will be written as x. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Upon 3 is equal to 1. Now when we have to isolate x, it means this upon 3 will be shifted to the other side first, because this is below the common denominator. Alright, so when this is in division, we shift it to other side, it will multiply with other side. So 3 into 1 will become 3 here. Now this plus 1 will be shifted as minus 1 to other side. Alright, so you will get here x is equal to 2 as answer. So be very careful here, like 3 was in denominator, we shifted it to other side, it is multiplying with other side. Alright, so division is changing to multiplication in these questions. Question number 10. 5 plus 1 on 3x is equal to 2x. Now you can see xx terms will be written in one side. So let 5 here only and take 1 on 3x to other side as minus 1 on 3x. Now in this side, let us take 3 as LCM. Here, now there is nothing in the denominator, so this LCM will be multiplied here. 3 into 2x is 6x, minus 1 into x is x only. Alright, so 5 will be here as it is. So we will, here this upon 3 will shift to other side as 5 into 3, and 6x minus x is equal to 5x. So 15 is equal to 5x. Alright, so we can bring this 5 in the denominator because it is multiplied here. When we shift it to other side, it will divide the other side. Alright, so we will get here x is equal to 3 is the answer. Question number 15 is y minus 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus 2y upon 5. Here we can see we have fraction on both sides. So here we will have to cross multiply. Cross multiplication means denominators of opposite sides will be multiplied here. So here y minus 6 will multiply with the denominator of other side, that is 5. So 5 into y minus 6 is equal to, same way this 2 will multiply with 3 minus 2y. Now we have to open the bracket, and when we open the bracket, 5 will multiply with both the terms in the bracket. So it will become 5 into y, 5y, minus 5 into 6 is 30. Same way here, 2 into 3 is 6, minus 2 into minus 2y is minus 4y. In this step now we will collect like terms in one side. So 5y and this 4y shift as plus 4y here. Alright, and 6 and minus 30 will become plus 30 to this side. So 5y plus 4y is 9y is equal to 36, and y is equal to 9 will come below the 36 here. So 36 on 9, y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 is the answer. Alright, so we have done few questions of exercise 10.2. Now you will complete exercise 10.2. Alright, thank you children.